Today I'm going to show you how to start using Revit architecture. My name is Issa Suleiman. I am an architect student. Please follow me on my video in order to see how to start using Revit architecture. After you install it, after you crack it, so follow me in my own video. Please thumbs up the subscribe button, and like and share and comment. Let's go. First of all, when you open your own Revit architecture, first thing to do is open new project. While opening new project, press new. You are going to select which temple do you want. Is it construction temple, or architectural, or structural, or mechanical temple? I'm an architect student, that's why I'm going to select architectural temple. So after selecting architectural temple, my computer is running slowly. You have to find a good computer. First of all, when your own Revit has opened, press UN in order to set up your unit. By pressing UN, you see already my own Revit architecture, its unit is already been set, and it is under scale 1:100. So no need of setting my unit again. Okay, the first thing to do again, the second thing to do, you are going back to your elevation. That is the view elevation, building elevation. Under your building elevation, you can see east, north, south, and west. Choose one among them. So I'm going to choose the east elevation. After you double click on your east elevation, the level line will appear. After the level line appear, then you will click the top one and reduce the dimension by pressing 450. The reason why I reduced the dimension to become 450, I wanted to put my flow level. The distance between my NGL and my flow level is 450. Then select the top one and then press right click. After pressing right click, then thumbs up, create similar. After that, then you are going to select the dimension you need. But I'm only going to put 2100. That is the lintel level. Then you click and align it with this one. Then your head cost 900 and align it again with this one. After doing this, you have already created your own level: the NGL level, the floor level, the lintel level, and the head cost. After doing that, you can rename it, or you can leave it like that. In order to, you can rename it for you, but to me, I can leave it like that. But let me rename it for you. In order to see how I do it. Come back and select this label line. When you double click on it, it will appear like that. Then change the name, rename the name. In order rename the name to put NGL, I put NGL. This is my natural ground level. Then flow, then the lintel level, then the head course. I'm just going to put HDC. After doing that, we have successfully created our own level. The next thing is to go under your NGL and floor plans. Under floor plans, go to your NGL in order to start drawing your walls and so on. So let's go to our own floor plan. You see, this is our floor plan. You see, then go to your NGL. This is the first place for you in order to start drawing your wall. This is the last place of our video. Hope you enjoy. Please like, share and comment. and thumbs up the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. On my next video, I'm going to show how to create walls, edit walls, and so on. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.